Here's a test I call the sightings test. What it does is it uses the tag system to detect when a train approaches a siding to which it needs to pull over into. I'm going to be using the same engine as the last test, the P&LE 2057, and I'm going to be stopping at Struthers, which is a station in Ohio on the Pittsburgh and Lake Erie line. So I'll start up the RTC program. We'll connect up to the radio and to the tag readers. Open the program control screen, and I'll start up the script. So you have to maybe follow along with the script code here to know what's going on. I'm not really going to be able to go through it line by line. That would be just too much of a video. But the first thing the script wants is it wants you to pick a destination. And as I mentioned, we're going to be working at Struthers. So once the engine is started, ready to go, I'm just going to click on the Struthers button. These buttons, by the way, as well as the LEDs and the counters on the right-hand side of the program control screen, those are all talked about on my webpage. So first thing the program does, it starts up the engine, sets the speed to 20, and the engine runs over the tag and detects it as it's shown there. Once it detects it, it decides it needs to stop. It comes up on the Struthers station and then stops. It sits at Struthers station for a little while, then it's going to flip into reverse and back up to about where it started. Once it backs up to about where it started, it stops, waits a second or two, flips into forward, and then basically starts all over again. It will head into Struthers. When it goes over the tag reader, it will decide it needs to stop, will issue a stop command, and the whole cycle repeats. So the stopping distance is all calculated by the program. I've put in the program the math to actually know how fast the engine's going, know where the Struthers station is in terms of distance, and it also knows the stopping distance of the engine. And it does a calculation to determine when to actually stop the engine so that it's right over right next to the Struthers station. I'm going to press the stop button here just to stop the script. So as I mentioned, this script just repeats this over and over again. So take a look at this one and you'll learn a lot more about tag detection.